أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our today's lesson about the next letter is Meem. Very easy. It's just like M in English and Meem is in Arabic. So let's see what's the Makhrij is and where the sound comes from. This picture shows very clearly the part of the dry part of the lips when they meet together or they press together. The sound of the Meem comes from the shape of ghunnah or sound of ghunnah from the nose, because we close our mouth, and what happens when our lips are not tightly sealed but they are touching with each other, pressing our dry part of the both lips together, the sound through the nasal passage to produce a nasal sound known as ghunnah. This sound is exact match for the letter M in English. So M and Meem, Meem. It's not hard, it's very easy to pronunciate. So that is the sound with the lips, but the nose sound is Ghunnah sound because the air comes from the nose. So these are the Arabic alphabets. We are done lot of them, most of them I think. Let's do one more time. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ha, Dal, Thal, Ra, Za, Sin, Jim, Sad, Dad, Da, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, and now today's letter Meem. Let's write down and see what the words we can everyday use or we are reading in Quran. If you are doing every day the practice of writing and learning the Makhrij, I think very soon we will be going to finish these, and then we will be starting the rules for Tajweedul Quran. So it will be very easy for you. So you have to practice every day. So let's see the Meem, how to write it. Just make little bit round there, or you can say little bit heavy there, and then stretch it down. This is Meem. If you can do it, just make this and then make it here this way or little bit heavy. This is Meem. And there is another way to write the Meem. This way. So this is also Meem. But when we are using in the middle, then we do this way. That we will learn when we do the tajweed. And now the makhrij is easier way is sakin Meem, and there is a hamza with the fatha. So it's and we have Meem with the fatha, ma, mi, and mu. See, easy, not hard at all. So you can learn very easily the sounds and the writing here. And then the very easy and everyday use, we say ammi or mom. M is mom in English, and in Arabic and we say in Urdu ammi, or ammi mean my mother, ammi. and this is and in English, mom. All are with the same sound. So let's go to the next page and see few more words starting from Meem. Let's start from the first one. Muhammad, our prophet's name. Everybody knows this name, and so this is having two memes. Muhammad or Muhammadun, you can say. Then there is Alhamdu. We read from Surat Fatah first. Alhamdu. Then this is the Allah's praise, and then we can say Rahim. Allah's one of Allah's names. Alim. Alim. Mu'min, the person who is having the, not only he's a Muslim, but he is having the good deeds also. Then there is Masjid. We go for the prayer. This is Masjid. There are a lot of other words starting with me. Musa. Musa alayhi Islam's name is also with Musa. Then we can have Mathalan. For example, Mathalan. Then there are a lot of words, but we don't have the space over here. I think they are enough. Ilm. Alim. Ilm. Meem we still have. Faham. So there are a lot of words. I think you can start looking into the Quran and you can see how many words we have, or you can make every day also in English also with M. Most of the words are sounding Meem. I hope it's easy every day, getting easier if you are practicing. And if you have any problem, just send me in comments. And today's lesson is still here. The Meem next letter will be Noon. Very easy. We will do that. Keep practicing and you will be better every day. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم